Hello, I'm Dr. Surisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this particular video, we shall try to discuss on the worst possible work environments which you as an entrepreneur or as a leader can avoid presenting them to the employees. Okay, you as a leader have to take care of the best possible work environment, and you have to focus on providing them the best possible work environment which makes them feel secure and which increases the productivity of the team members. Okay, but you have to also learn about the possible worst work environments or most unproductive work environments, and you have to focus on avoiding them. Okay, let us see what they are. The 9 to 5 environment. The 9 to 5 here, it is not just about the timings, it is not just the time aspect of it. It is about the mindset or the mentality of the work environment, or what it tries to convey to the employees. 9 to 5, like a very, the kind of mentality here is, it is hardly confirming, like it is the focus of this 9 to 5 thing is strict rules, strict protocols, strict expectations, strict dress codes or strict operations, everything. It is like conforming to a preset standards is the underlying concept of this 9 to 5 work environment. It is, as I told you already, it is not just about the time part, but about the overall mindset of the work environment or the overall conditions of the work environment which are not so productive. So you better try to not focus on this particular kind of work environment. Okay, because this over strictness or the expectation to conform to the prior standards or prior set standards, that will diminish the productivity and creativity of your team members. So you have to avoid this particular 9 to 5 work environment. And compartment environment, compartments, like this we can say in the other video where I have done on the most productive work environments, we have discussed certain individual focused work environment where individual tastes, individual preferences are given a say, they are given a proper place in the work environment. But this is the other way around. The compartment work environment is something we can call the dark twin of individual focused environment. Okay, here like individuals are strictly seen as individuals. They'll be completely like isolated from the team members. They don't have proper interaction with the team members, with other employees, with their co-workers. Okay, so it makes them feel resentment, like they are not connected to other people. They are viewed only as individuals but not as team players, which is definitely not a productive thing to happen in a workplace. Okay, so try to avoid this compartment work environment. Also, the sink or swim environment. See, this workplace says that there are no other options for the employees either apart from sinking or swimming. It is like do or die kind of a situation, which again is not right thing to happen. There will be many, gray areas. It is not either success or failure. They are the two extremes of the continuum where you have many gray areas, many overlapping areas, lots of chances in between success and failure. But this sink or swim work environment, it will not recognize that fact. It says things black and white. Okay, it does not provide any chance of improvement. See, our life has gray areas. So your office also should have gray areas too. That is the kind of mindset you should have, but not the sink or swim work environment. Okay. Similarly, class system environment. Class system work environment is something again like in this particular class system environment, people are viewed, some people are objectively viewed as better than others. Okay, objectively on quantitative basis and quantitative evaluation, some employees are, given that upper hand over others. And this class system environment restricts employees from questioning or providing any sort of feedback to the leader. They cannot cross question the leader, they cannot say no to the leader or to the manager, which again obviously this is not how a workplace should be. Okay, so this class system environment where complete submission of employees, complete yes boss kind of an environment is encouraged, is should be a big no in the workplace. Okay, I think you have got some idea, and I wish you like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.